Alright, now that you have seen what you are able to have your students do and explain everything with manipulating and annotating images, I want to show you how I designed this lesson. So I'm going to go back to my home screen and I'm going to start a new Explain Everything. And that I do that by selecting the plus sign, picking my color template. Now prior to starting this, you will have wanted to put images into your camera roll so you can access them through Explain Everything. So make sure you've done this prior to this lesson. So I'm going to start accessing my images by using the paper with a plus sign. I'm going to find existing photo and video. And it's going to open up my iPhoto, and then I'm just going to start choosing the images. I click done, and then it puts it in there. I can still shrink it to be the size that I want. And I'm going to do it again so I can find my next image. Click on it. Again, this is where you can edit it, you can crop it, you can rotate it. I'm going to click done, stick it in there, move it. Do one more here. Alright, resize it. I also added text to this. So you click on the A, tap, and you'll get your box. Manipulate images to your thought process. So I'm going to just put the directions on here. I can use this blue arrows to alter the text box. I can make it centered. And then when I'm done, I hit, and if I wanted to, I can press and hold on the A as well, and it will give me the option to change my font size. So I'm going to press a check mark when I'm done. And now my project is done. So now I want to get it to my students. In order to get it to my students, I'm going to share it to Google Drive. From Google Drive, I can either share it manually with them, I can link it to a website, I can put it into a folder that all students have access to. There are several ways to get it to students from Google Drive. And if you have trouble with this, you can contact your iLearn specialist and they can help you with that. But I'm going to put it in my Google Drive, which is using the little icon in the bottom right-hand corner. And right now I'm going to get, it says photo to camera roll, photo to mail, or iBooks. And I'm going to choose more. And in this place, it's probably going to bring you right into Photos because it's looking to export it as an image file. I'm going to choose Export to Google Drive, and I want to export it as a project, not an image file. If it's a project, then the students can still manipulate and edit this. So I'm going to find the folder that I want it to go into, and then I'm going to click Export. I'm going to save the project before I upload it. And then I'm going to click Save Project. Once I save project, it's going to automatically export it into Google Drive. And that's how you get your manipulate and annotate images from Explain Everything to Google Drive so you can share this with your students and they can complete this in class.